Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Here is the full explanation of the project. So after you will go to the Google Drive, the link sent to you. So go to the school collation system, then download the file. So the file will be in downloads. It's yes to complete. Okay, it's now completed. So before you open the file, so right click on the file, then go to properties. Then under general, you will see security. Just check it. So check it to be unblocked. So just check it. Then apply. Okay. So now let us open the file. Let's, enable contents. So just close the data. So sorry. Let us open it. Now, the first step is that you will sign in with the username and password given to you. So the username is coding 23 1 2 3 4. Then login. So you can see the school name is not written yet. So everything is zero here. The first step is that you should change because you are the admin or you are the owner of this file file. So you just go to users. The first thing is that you should change the username and password because the username is already known to everyone, which is coding 23 and 1234. So you need to change it. So as for me, I don't need to change it here. I just cancel it. So after that, you will now start adding, go to settings, add the school name, the address, the email, insert the logo, signature stamp, insert classes and subjects. So, but because I already have another file that contains all these records for a particular school, so I will just import the data here, so we'll be able to work on it. So this is where we import. So I import everything. Later I will explain more on this, but let us import first. Um, so importation successful. Alhamdulillah. Let us sign again. Oh, sorry. The username in that file is has changed. Now you can see that their data here and the name of the school has changed because we have import the data to this file. Now let us start with student registration. So it's I think it's clear. So just let us maybe add any name plus test one mail. I think it's clear. So after that, if you want to edit, deactivate, or delete, delete is permanently. If you deactivate, you can activate again. Just click here and you will see the deactivated students here. If you want to print, so that's it's very clear. So score inputs. So let us go there. Now we're going to choose the class and the subjects. For example, JSS1A, um, mathematics. So these are their scores. I've already recorded the scores there. Let us just clear it. So the record is very simple. So I've already distributed in settings the scores to be 10, 20, 10, 60, which is over 100. So if your distribution is different, so you can change it is in settings. So just add the scores, maybe for example 10, 9, 5, 7, because these are over 10. If it is over 20, maybe 15, 20, 19, 10. But you need to note that you cannot input a number that is greater than the one above the first row. So let us, for example, let us insert 21. You see, it will not accept it at all. So because you have already distributed the score criteria to be 10, 20, 10, 60. Now, let us insert 6. It will accept it. Now, maybe your teacher has already add he has already summed the scores together over 100 or over 30 or over 60 or anyhow. So if you want to reduce your stress, so you can go to split here. But because before going here, you will know, you will need to choose the split criteria here. How do you want the scores to be split into? So I want it to be over 40. Split it to 10, 20, 10. So now let us start from this row, for example. So let us over 40. Let us type 40, 30, 15, 20, 10, 60. Oh, 60 is more than this 40, so you cannot write 60. It is maybe 30, then split. So you can see it has already splitted this course for you. After that, so just save. So it has already been saved. So that is how you will insert the scores for all classes, be it departmental classes or departmental subjects or general subjects. That is for input scores. One thing is that you don't need to be worried about the calculation. Just insert your scores. It will sum it up here. Now, also, if there is no candidate in this row, you cannot insert anything here. For example, let us insert 8. You can see it will not accept it. So it is restricted to the rows that has students. Now, the third one is spreadsheet. Let us insert first term, sort by position. Then let us add the class, maybe JS1 also. Oh, sorry, I have not added the score criteria. The score criteria is over 100. So you can see the spreadsheet is ready and it is sorted according to position from first to seventh. So if you want to sort it according to registration number, so you can just change it here. So after that, you can save it as PDF or you can print it. So if you want to print it, the all the criteria that you change here is you will see you will find it here just one spreadsheet, the school name, the term, also the time of printing us and all the information that it is regards to this spreadsheet. That is for spreadsheet. After this is mark sheets. So mark sheet is for teachers. You want to print it for teachers in order to record on it. So if the class is departmental, for example, SS2, this is, you can see general subject. If it is departmental subject, so you will see only the students that are offering the subject Yoruba. You can see just three students. So and like that, government. So print it or save it as PDF. Next one is report sheet. Uh, choose the class, the term, and then sort by position. Then let us start with test sheets. So if you want to generate test report sheets or midterm report sheets, so just click on generate. So all these 17 students, their report sheets are ready now. So if this message appears in red color, so that means the generation is completed. Now you can print it, you can save it as PDF, or you can view it. Let us go to print, for example. Print all. Let us choose selection. You can see the test sheet is already uh, concluded. So all the calculations and the grade, so automatically it will add it. So all the students. So if you want to save it as PDF or you want to view it, for example, here, this Gladiator about its report, midterm report sheet, the next student, maybe you want to just print this one only, so you just print it here. Now, report sheets. Now for test for exam report sheets, generate. So you can print it now or view. Let us view it. The students, you can see that the report sheet is ready. You just print it. So this is the report sheet. طيب. Um, so there's nothing. Others are clear. If you want to save as PDF, so you just add the path where you want to save it in one PDF. Or if you want to save each student's report sheet in a PDF, you can save it for this also. For example, let us select a path here. My projects. Let us create a folder here, each student, for example. Sorry. Now save each in a PDF file. Maybe you want to send it to the student or the parents, so you can just save each in a PDF file. Here, each student, you can see. So 17 number 17, the file will be saved with the registration number of that student plus their names. So number 17, for example, this is 29. So this is a report sheet for the students only. So that is for save each in a PDF file. So also, if you want to just print maybe like 3 students or 2 students report sheets, then and save it in PDF file, you can do so also. Now, that is about report sheets. The next one is testimonials. So you have two options here, which is senior secondary school testimonial, junior secondary school, and primary school testimonial. So for example, let us go to senior secondary school testimonial, choose the class, which is SS3, then just click on generate. So after this message is appeared, so you can print or you can save as PDF. Let us print, for example, print all. Let us preview it. You can see all the 21 students. So irrespective of their departmental subjects. So the testimonial is ready. So sorry, I've not added the logo. That is why the logo is not appearing here and the email. So if we have added it, so it will appear here. That is for testimonial. For example, maybe the testimonial that you want to write for a particular student is not the subject that he offered maybe in the external examination like WAEC or NECO. So it's not the one that is registered in the school. For example, this student, Abdul Hamid Idris, so he did not register for IRS2 in WAEC, and you want to change these subjects. Just click on that student, then go to that, click on the subject and erase it here. You can change it to another subject. So also, if you want to change the character, the portfolio, anything, so for a particular student, you can do it here. That is for testimonial. I forgot to add one thing here, which is if you are using Microsoft Office 2010, 2013, and 2016. So if you want to print, so don't print all because there will be a page cutoff. Maybe the page will not be arranged in order. So if you want to print all subjects, just highlight on all subjects, then print and select print selection. So because of the version of Microsoft you are using, but if your office is Microsoft 365 to 2021, 2019, so you don't have any issue. You can just select print all without selecting the students. That is it. Import data. We have two options. So you can import from the school management system that we have released earlier before. That is, I think, in September 2023. So if you want to input the names and registration number and classes of students from that file, so you can just click here and import the data. But one thing is that if you choose the file, so it will ask you of the semester that you want to import the data from, also the username and password number of that file. The second one, if you want to import from this maybe you have another copy of this file and you want to import the data, maybe only the registration number and names or class or anything, so you will see it here. Or even if you want to import uh, 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 specific subject course, maybe in that file for maybe for JSS 1A, so you just add. Please select the subject. Okay, so sorry, I've not choose any score, maybe score one and score three, then add. So all the scores for these subjects from the file that we choose in this button will be imported to this file. So that is all about import data. You can read the notes that is written here. After that, settings, maybe later we go to settings. So users, nothing is here, just for the owner and admin. If you want to add, maybe this person registers and you want to add him as a user or admin or anything, so just click him, then add. Yes. So now the user is an admin. Right. Now, as for this, my subjects, so the admin, which is Mr. Busari here, so he has access to all subjects. That means he can input records for all subjects. He can delete anything. He can edit. But as for the user or the teacher, so the admin will restrict his inputs to a particular subject. Maybe for JS1A only, or if for a particular class, or if at, or for some subjects in particular classes. So, for example, this teacher, Mr. Lawal, so he restricted the his inputs to these subjects in JS2A, in JS2B. So that is that means other subjects he will not have access to it. So and like that. So how will you do it is that just click on that subject because you are the admin. So choose the class that you want to add. Maybe you want to add all these subjects for Mr. Raji, that he should be able to have access to it. So just click on add. You can see it is already added. If you want to remove, just click on what you want to remove and remove it. So let us remove this again. That is for my subjects. Now settings. So everything is clear here. The school name, address, and email. Here, this is the place where you will insert the logo, signature, and stamp. So let us insert the logo here, then the signature. For example, if you want to add the signature, you need to be very careful. Um, Coming signature. So the signature, you need to sign it. You need to write it on a plain white paper. After that, you will need to remove the background from the paint application. So if you don't know about it, so you just ignore it and sign your report sheet and testimonials manually. That is better. If you can't do that, if you can't do all the, or if you can't remove the background and you don't know about picture editing, so remove it. So, but basically, if you want to use pictures, the background must be white, or you should remove the background. So let us insert signature here and insert the stamp. For example, the stamp. Okay. So it is saved like that. So if you go to report, sorry, if you go to testimonials now and you go to PDF, let us save it here. So if you want to view it now, you will see that the stamp. Oh, sorry, I've not. You need to insert the signature and stamp. If you don't insert it, it will not save. So PDF again. Um, of Now let's go to. So this is the testimonial. Oh, sorry, I saved it somewhere. I've lost it. So sorry for that. So there is it. So you can see. The logo is here. Also, you can see the stamp and the signature. So, as for testimonial, the background is green. So you need to change the background of the picture or the signature that you have to this color. So if you don't have any knowledge about it, so just ignore it. So the place will be blank and you will stamp and write the signature manually. But as for report sheets, so the background is white and you will not have any issue with it. So that is about. So back to the settings. So the assumption dates. So everything is cleared here. So term closure. If you close the term here, you just close. You can open the term or close the term. So because here, uh, if you concluded a particular term, maybe if first term, you have finished the first term and you have generated the report sheets and everything. So you will, if you don't want any teacher or any user to input another score, so you as an admin, so you can just close the term here. So, but as for now, I want to open it. As for security, oh sorry, I log in it's um, now as for security. So if you just click on this, if you read it, this file will work on this computer only and on this path. If you click it, that means nobody can copy it or send it to another place. Even if they copy it or send it to another place, they will not be able to log in to this file. This is for security. But as an advice, so if you add the security, so add the activation key, which is maybe you want to send the documents to another person to view it. So that person cannot be able to view it unless you give him the activation key. So if you don't add any activation key, that means that file cannot, that person will not have access to that file at all. So you will be the one that will have access to it on this on your PC only. Because for now, I don't want to add it because I want to send it to another people. Factory says this one, all the datas in this file will be cleared, will be erased. So this only the admin that will have access to, only the owner that will be the one that will have access to it. So factory state and security. Here is where you add the classes and grid to be used. Also subjects, you will add it here. Now, let us start from class subjects. So maybe for GSS 1A, these are the subjects that are they are offering. So if you want to add another subject, just add it from this place. So if the subject is already on the list, maybe for example, physics is not in JS1, so just add it. You can see this group this group is for departmental subjects. So you will create a group. Under that group, you will now add subjects to that group. For example, uh, let us go to SS1 here, group A. So you can see under group A, there are three subjects, which is physics, commerce, and literature. So if you want to add another subject, you can add it here. You can see. So you will have six general subjects, and others are departmental because they are under groups. So the addition of class subjects is limited to 20 subjects. because the report sheet cannot accommodate more than that. So you can edit, delete, and do your, which is here, which grades. So we have three grades. You can use SS grade, JSS grade, and primary and nursery grade. So you will be the one that will add it by yourself. For example, for this school, so on the most high grade is A1, which is from 75 to 100. So you can add your own. For JSS, they are not using A1 or B2, they're using just A, B, C, and others. And if your primary school is different, you can add it here and edit. So here is the score distribution. So for this school, their distribution is 10, 20, 10, 60. So if your own is different, maybe it is maybe 40 and 60 only. So you can change it and remove this one. So if your school is different, after that, you will see test sheets. So uh, the obtainable mark for test for midterm report sheet for your school, is it over 40 or over 60? So you just click on the one that you want to set it. For example, this school, their distribution is 10, then 20, 10, then 60. As for their test sheet, it's over 30, which is the first test and midterms test, which is this. Just click on it and you can see the sum is 30. As for the exam report sheet or end of term report sheet, so we have test row and exam row. The test row is over 40 and exam row is over 60, which is 100. So you will just click on it here. So I think it is easy. Just uh, click and set it as you wish. After this is student departmental groups. So here is in this place, if you want to add students to departmental subjects, for example, in SS3, so these are all the students in SS3. Now, we have here the departmental subjects, for example, physics. These are the students that are offering physics. So if you want to add another person, just click on him. If the if the subject is empty, you will be able to add him or her to these subjects. But if it's not empty, you will not be able to add it, because that means that person is offering another subject under this umbrella, under this group. For example, if he or she is not offering physics, that means he's offering commerce or literature. So you can see, if you add literature, if you click on literature, then add, it will not add anything. So because it is the person is offering another subject. For example, let us just remove Olawale from this place. Remove him. You can see it's empty. So you can add him back. Or maybe you want to add him to maybe physics literature. Let us go to literature. This literature. Those are the students that are offering literature. So you can only add this person that has no subject in his or her in the line. So Olawale Sohar, you can add him to literature, for example. So that is all about adding students to departmental subjects. That's about settings. So generally, the last one is summary of what is inside this file. It's very clear. Number of student registration, number of classes, number of subjects, also class subjects. Class subjects. That means the number of subjects in each class. Also here, number of students in class. So JSS 1A, they are 17. JS 1B, yes, you can change it as you like. Also, number of students offering departmental subjects. Choose the class or all classes. Then the subjects, maybe physics. 64 students are doing it in the school, but you in JSS 1, no students. SS1, 35 students, SS2, 16, and like that. So also the number of employee. One thing here is number of scores recorded in this file. Number of scores recorded in this file. Maybe you have maybe a secretary or an employee that you employed for this job, and you want to charge him maybe based on the recorded number of records. So you can maybe for third term, for example, or maybe first term. So the expected record is 13,860 scores, and that person recorded 12,312 scores. You can charge him, maybe you can have an agreement with him based on these records. Maybe for a record or for 10 records is 1 naira, for the 5 records is or anyhow. So, or if you want to know the records that you will input in this file. So that is all about this program. Here, where you will create the account. So if you want to contact us, maybe you want us to develop another project for you, or any project that is related to school, or any project that is related to that is based on Excel or VBA, so you can contact us. You're welcome.